Are you tired of dealing with underinflated tires or long waits at the gas station for air? What if there was a quick and easy way to keep your tires in perfect shape anytime, anywhere? Let's take a closer look at the digital SNC-150PSI air compressor for car and see how it could be your ultimate road trip companion. About the product. Plug the Carsun portable air compressor power cable into the car's 12-volt power outlet. Then press the inflation nozzle into the tire valve. Set the pressure value required by the tire and press the switch to start inflating. The air compressor pump will automatically shut off when reaching desired tire pressure. With maximum pressure, 150 psi and airflow 35 liters per minute, it can inflate the 195/65/R15 car tire from 0 to 35 psi under 5 minutes. Carsun Tire Inflator is equipped with a large high-precision and high-brightness display to help you check the tire pressure and preset the tire pressure values. Carsun air compressor pump has a 10-foot power cord and inflatable adapters, 4 additional nozzles, allowing to reach all tires of your car, bike, motor, ATV, compact or mid-size sedan, SUV, air mattress, inflatable boats, balls, and other inflatables. Package includes parts description. Using method. Ensure you have the digital SNC-150PSI air compressor, power cord, and required nozzles. Securely connect the pump to your car's 12-volt outlet to ensure a strong connection.
Before starting, your car engine should be in the run position.
Unscrew the cap on your tire's valve stem. Securely attach the air hose nozzle to the valve stem. Press on unit to turn on the inflator. The gauge will display 0.0 on the digital screen. Set your desired pressure using plus and minus buttons. Press the I/O unit to start inflating. The compressor will automatically shut off when it reaches the preset pressure. Unscrew the nozzle and replace the valve stem cap. Enjoy your journey with confidence and ease. If you are interested in picking up digital SNC-150PSI air compressor for car, I've got you covered. Just check out the link in the description below to grab it on Amazon. Features. Specifications. Warnings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and reviews. Thanks for watching.